Hey everyone, just really excited to have this rock star with us. This is Samantha Clarke, and she is a vegan Australian actress athlete. And so without further ado, I want to go ahead and turn it over to her so she can give you a little preview of what to expect when we do our interview next week live.
Thanks, Henry. That was a beautiful introduction. Hey, guys. I've never been called a rock star before, so I love that. Really excited to have a chat to you guys next week. I'm obviously incredibly passionate about plant-based or vegan lifestyle. I really believe that it is the future, and I think this because basically it affects our health for the better, it affects the planet for the better, and it affects animals absolutely for the better, and it really allows us to lead a whole compassionate life. And I personally don't believe we can fully live compassionately unless we start to shift towards plant-based, and I'm sure Henry will probe me on that next week. But I'm really looking forward to sharing my holistic view on how more plants, less animal can make for a happier world.
That's absolutely beautiful. Looking forward to you sharing with our crew here. We have a private Facebook group that Sammy is going to be sharing within. So if you can like or comment down below if you want to hear Samantha Clarke here just share about just her life journey and give us some healthy tips and tricks, then make sure that you get in touch with us because it's going to be on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, November 17th. That's at 3 p.m. Eastern time. If you are living on the Pacific Coast in California or up in Vancouver, like Samantha, then it's going to be at noon. So like or comment down below and we'll make sure that you have access to that recording. Thanks so much.